What would happen if you died in space? What happens to your body? Do you freeze? In the vacuum of space, the absence of an atmosphere means there's no air to trap heat around your body. This lack of insulation causes your body to lose heat rapidly. Within moments of exposure, you would begin to feel the effects of extreme cold. Imagine the sensation of stepping outside on a frigid winter day without wearing a coat. But in space, the cold is far more intense. Space has an average temperature of about 2.7 Kelvin minus 270.45 degrees Celsius or minus 454.81 degrees Fahrenheit, just a few degrees above absolute zero, the coldest temperature possible in the universe. This means that any exposed part of your body would quickly freeze. The extreme cold would likely cause your bodily fluids, such as saliva and tears, to freeze almost instantly. This rapid freezing process would make it difficult for your body to retain any heat, leading to a rapid and profound drop in your body temperature. No decomposition. Unlike on Earth, where bacteria and other organisms break down organic matter in space, there's no air or bacteria to decompose your body. Without these decomposers, your body would remain largely unchanged. It's similar to placing food in a freezer without the right conditions. It stays preserved for a long time. For astronauts who have tragically lost their lives in space, their bodies did not decompose as they would have on Earth. Instead, the lack of moisture and bacteria caused their bodies to mummify or dry out over time. This preservation occurs because without the presence of air, liquids evaporate rapidly, leaving behind dehydrated remains. Radiation danger. Space is filled with harmful radiation that can be very dangerous to humans. Unlike Earth, which is protected by its magnetic field and atmosphere, space offers no such shield. The radiation in space comes from various sources, including the sun and distant stars. Exposure to this radiation can damage your cells and increase your risk of developing cancer. It's similar to getting too much sun, but instead of UV rays, you're exposed to different types of radiation. Astronauts are particularly at risk because they spend extended periods in space, beyond the protection of Earth's atmosphere. Despite precautions, such as shielding on spacecraft, the risk of radiation exposure remains a serious concern for long-duration space missions. Long-term journey. If you were to die in space, your body might continue to drift through the vastness of space for a very long time. Without any forces acting on it, your body would follow a straight path through space, potentially traveling among stars and planets indefinitely. It's a haunting image to imagine your remains floating among the cosmic wonders of the universe, a silent traveler in the emptiness of space. This idea is not just science fiction. There are actually old satellites, rockets, and other space debris that continue to float in space, becoming like cosmic ghosts of humanity's ventures into the unknown. These objects serve as a reminder of our presence in space and the vastness of the universe that surrounds us.